Touchdown France. Later but ano siya, bent. It's not just a street. We're looking for somewhere to eat. Merienda. Ito yung point of view. I want a kebab. They want something hot. Wow, ito na yan. Wow. Nasa tower.
I think
I want to be going for a kebab. Point of view. Kebab. Istanbul kebab. I have that kebab. American. Cordon bleu. We're on the way to Eiffel Tower just for ikot-ikot lang kasi recovering from the plane ride, like almost 24 hours trip. Guys, we're finally here. My childhood dream, thanks to my father.
ito mo ko yung TikTok mo.
Wow, tingin to. Meron palang dining area sa taas.
Yung kanan na lang dyan. Kasi alam po wala sa ilalim mo. Close yun, may bayad pag pumunta. Dito tayo nag-picture ng
So,
dalawa.
where are we going next? The other side. Pwede din. Going to this Christmas market. Another side to taking photos. Dito yung Christmas market.
Saan pa daw eh?
Love locks. And by Eiffel Tower for now.
Erstmal da hinten.
Bukas, ano gagawin natin?
And kami in this parang Christmas bazaar na lang. Painting. What's this? Churros. Churros. Waffle. What's this? Candy. Pretzel again. What's this? Just a simple Christmas bazaar.
This one.
They have souvenirs. Wala, bibili na ba akong souvenirs? I want. Ito. Barbie eh, papa. Ay, ano yun? Cotton candy. Clothings. Magnet. Uy, candies.
Ilang naman.
Time check, 7:32.
Natang pang ano sa ulo.
Wala kayong pa dyan. Meron ba ako dun?
Meron pero nandun.
So cold out here. And we're looking for somewhere to eat breakfast. Sana bukas, sana legit yung nasa Google Maps. Kasi if not,
Just go to McDo.
yeah, probably our last resort. So good luck to us. The meat shop. Parang walang bukas. Ay, no, parang may kainan dun. Is that open na?
Ito, bukas. Ano, parang luto. Ako bread.
Yay, they're open. But I want, ano, parang chocolate.
Kaya ganun dati sa Pilipinas. Nagsa-sunrise.
Parang chocolate latte.
Preparation ng mga bata.
Spaghetti bolognese. Still waiting for their... We're done with the breakfast. A fulfilling breakfast. Yeah, dito rin. Pero gelato yun. Dito ulit kami sa ano. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Trocadero. Siguro nung pagdating natin dun ay araw na.
Kasya tayo.
Maambon lang. It looks classic, it looks vintage. Ay, ano ba to? Store? Or restaurant? We're waiting for them. Look at this. Ay, nakita. Wow.
Maganda yung
Wow. Look.
makalaw.
Domo, arigato.
It's giving Paris dream. Tsaka si Burger King naman. Medyo scary lang. Ah, pwede pala sasakay ng metro tapos dito bababa. Sasakay ng metro tapos dito bababa. But for the maximization of the experience, hear us walking on the way to Trocadero. But still, Eiffel Tower on the view. Pero if tinatamad kayo maglakad, go for the metro. Kaso one stop lang. If lang naman. We're coming here sa Trocadero for another photo opportunity. Sadly, takpan yung top ng Eiffel Tower. But still good. Doon lang kami kahapon. There. We're at Trocadero Station. CRU. And how much? €1. That's 69 peso. Mahal. Sa Philippines, 5 pesos lang. Minsan libre pa. We're going to... No, we're going to Arc de Triomphe. And we're taking the route to Etowel. First we go to Etowel. 2 stops. Huh? 2 stops. 2 stops daw. But still aesthetic. Tsaka. Tama, sa dulo tayo.
Dulo tayo.
Isa pa?
Next. I think pwede nang buksan. Exit 7. We're going to exit 7. Ito tayo. Ay. 3 to exit 7. Sa kabila siguro.
So,
1, 2, 3 lang nakalagay.
ano, champ Elise?
Sa exit 7 na tayo. Sa kabila. We're looking for exit 7. So, sana worth it. Mababang lakaran to. Fix na pala yung bayad dito. So, 7. Baka doon. Biento. Bubble punch. Cute. Ayan, based kay TikTok. Dito daw yung another angle of oh no. Ang taas. Ay, stop down dito. Wow. Arc de Triomphe. Wala nga masyado ng tao. Pero meron pa rin. Yan. Wow. So yan, if you want to have a photo spot na hindi overrated or wala masyadong picture, stay or follow the exit 7. Pagbaba nyo dito sa Charles de Gaulle or something. So from this exit 7, punta daw kami sa kabilang side for another angle.
Tourist guide. Ganda ng plan. China ang pangalan nun, tourist guide.
Si Sunny.
Saan yan?
Go, 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 go. Naka-green. Ingat kayo pababa to. Look. Ikutin namin yung buong side. Kaya kahit umulan hindi mo ganun kabasa-basa. Sana mawala na yung cold. Wow! Picture na ako ng sister ko while walking and with a view of Arc de Triomphe. Go, sister. Look. The Paris room is here.